Hello students, now we are going to solve questions of exercise number 6.1. In the first question we have given a figure. This figure we have to given, and in this figure lines AB and CD intersect at O. This is line AB and this is line CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, angle AOC, this angle and this angle, these two angles have the sum 70 degree, and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Then find angle BOE and the reflex of COE. Two things we have to find, angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Okay. So first of all we write here given. What are given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, first equation. Second, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, it is second part. Okay. AB and CD intersect at O. This implies angle, see, when two lines intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So here these two are vertical opposite angles, this is, and these two are vertical opposite angles. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. How? Vertically opposite angles. Clear? Okay. Now to prove or to find first angle BOE and second angle reflex angle COE. These two things we have to find. Okay. Now solution. Angle BOE, this angle we have to find. Okay. See, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So angle AOC must be have 40 degree. Okay. Since angle BOD is equal to 40 degree given, this implies angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Clear? It is 40 degree. Okay. Angle AOC is 40 degree, but we also have angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now from equation 1, 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Put the value of angle AOC in equation number 1. So this implies angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. That is our first answer. Okay. Now we have to find angle COE, the reflex of angle COE. That means we first have to find angle COE. What is the value of angle COE? See, angle COE. These two angles have the sum 70 degree, and these three angles will make linear pair. That means sum of those three angles will be equal to 180 degree. Again, from figure, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Clear? Now AOC plus BOE will have the sum 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree from 1. Clear? Now angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70 then angle COE is equal to 110 degree. But we have to find the reflex of angle COE. So reflex of angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110. Clear? So reflex of angle COE is equal to 250 degree. So we have found that angle BO is equal to 30 degree and reflex of angle COE is equal to 250 degree. So students, if you want to note it, then pause the video to be noted down.